Children, we have studied all the shapes in detail. Now we will revise it again. So can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a circle because it's going round, round, round. It does not have any corner. What is the name of this shape? Yes, this is a square. It has 4 equal sides. That's why it is called as a square. Now can you tell me this? Yes, this is a triangle because it has 3 corners and 3 sides. So we call it as a triangle. Yes, which shape is this? Yes, this is a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Okay, so it is called a rectangle. Now what is this? Yes, this is a semicircle, or you can call it a half circle because it is only half part of a circle. Now can you tell me what is this? Yes, this is a cone. A cone has a flat surface and a point upside. Okay, so we have studied all the shapes and you know all the shapes now. So we will learn their names in Hindi also. This is a circle. Circle को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? गोल. क्या कहते हैं? गोल. गोल. ये क्या है? This is a square. Square को हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? Square को हिंदी में बोलते हैं चौकोर. क्या बोलते हैं? चौकोर. वापस से बोलो मेरे साथ. चौकोर. ये क्या है? This is a triangle. ट्राइंगल को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं पता है आपको? ट्राइंगल को हिंदी में बोलते हैं त्रिकोण. क्या बोलते हैं? त्रिकोण. एक बार मेरे साथ बोलेंगे त्रिकोण. ठीक है, ये ट्राइंगल. ये क्या है? दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल. क्या है ये? रेक्टेंगल. इसे हम हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में इसे आयत बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? आयत. याद होगा आपको? आयत. ओके, ये क्या है? सेमी सर्कल और हाफ सर्कल. इसे हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? आधा गोल. क्या बोलते हैं? आधा गोल. ये है पूरा गोल और ये है आधा गोल. ठीक है, ये क्या है? कोन. क्या है? कोन. इसे हिंदी में हम कहते हैं शंकु. क्या बोलते हैं? शंकु. आई होप आप सबको ये याद रहेगा और घर पे इसका रिवीजन करना. Children, we have studied all the shapes. Now we will learn their spellings. Okay, so first spelling we are going to learn is of cone. What is this spelling? I will tell you. Okay, C-O-N-E, cone. C-O-N-E, cone. Repeat after me. C-O-N-E, cone. So let's start writing. Okay. C-O-N-E, cone. All letters should be in small. Okay, you are not going to write it in capital. Every letter should be in small. So repeat the spelling after me. C-O-N-E, cone. Okay, now the next spelling is of oval. What is this spelling? I will tell you. O-V-A-L, oval. Repeat after me. O-V-A-L, oval. Okay, we will write on the notebook. O-V-A-L, oval. What is this spelling? O-V-A-L, oval. You will be going to write it near. No space you should leave. Okay. Now the next spelling is of square. A R E. See, I am not leaving space in between. Okay, so write it like this. What is the spelling? Repeat once again. S Q U A R E. Square. Okay, now the next spelling is of star. Star, you like star now? We will write the spelling of star. What is the spelling? S T A R star. S T A R star. Repeat after me. S T A R star. Let's write down, okay? S T A R star. Okay, repeat after me. S T A R star. They all are small letters and no spaces there. So always remember that you should write it in small letters and don't leave space behind it. Okay. Now the last spelling is of circle. We will write the spelling of circle. What is the spelling? I will tell you. C I R C L E. Circle. Repeat. C I R C L E. Circle. Now let's write it down. C I R C L E. Circle. Okay. This is the spelling of circle. Repeat once again. C I R C L E. Circle. So we have written 5 spellings. What are they? C O N E. Cone. O V A L. Oval. S Q U A R E. Square. S T A R. Star. C I R C L E. Circle. You have to write it down and you have to learn all the spellings.
Parents, children need to write the spellings in this pattern. Okay? So for this you have to make 3 columns on the page and write the spellings in this pattern. Children need to write spellings of cone, oval, star and circle 5 times. But the spelling of square they need to write on this whole column, okay? Because it is a bit difficult spelling. So make sure that child completes this work at home. Thank you.